Hey everyone, welcome back to our Bible name series. The name which we are going to see today is Abraham. Abraham was a man who chose to trust God completely. God had already called him to leave his homeland, and Abraham obeyed even when he did not know where he was going. He lived in tents, moved from place to place, and followed God's leading step by step. As time passed, God made a covenant, an unbreakable promise with Abraham. God told him that he would have a son and that his descendants would be as many as the stars in the sky. But Abraham and his wife Sarah were very old. Humanly, it was impossible. Yet, Abraham believed God's promise more than he believed his own doubts. Finally, God gave them a son, Isaac. Their joy was great. But then came the greatest test of Abraham's life. God asked him to take Isaac to a mountain and offer him as a sacrifice. Abraham did not understand why God would ask this. Isaac was a child of promise, but Abraham chose to trust God even when he could not explain God's command. Abraham and Isaac climbed the mountain together. Isaac asked, "Father, where is the lamb?" Abraham answered with faith, "God will provide." And he did. Just before Abraham was about to sacrifice Isaac, God stopped him. A ram appeared, and it became the sacrifice instead. This moment showed that God never wanted Isaac to die. He was testing Abraham's faith and revealing something greater. The sacrifice God provided pointed forward to Jesus Christ, the true Lamb who would give his life to save the world. Abraham's faith became an example for all generations. Faith obeys even when we don't understand. Abraham trusted God's voice more than his own feelings. God always provides. Just as God provided a ram, he provided Jesus as the lamb for us. Obedience shows real faith. Abraham was not just a believer in words, he acted in faith. God's covenant is a promise of grace. Abraham did not earn God's favor. God chose him, blessed him, and used him by grace. God's promises may take time, but they never fail. Even if it seems impossible, His word is sure. Thanks for watching. See you again with another name from the Bible.